old stuff is not sticking too well.
I'm just gonna replace it all.
Once I get it on, then I can see if it's sticking. Just place what I need.
Is that stuff expensive?
I don't think so. But it's all good. That's the building custom headlights for my Outback. Okay, you can stop. Plugging these all in. There's that one go.
Checking that it works.
Yeah. These two, this one here. Okay. Oh, I forgot something. Whoops. It's easier with two hands. Oops. Damn. Let's try that again. At least we know the stick works. Perfect. Okay, for the last time. Actually, wait, I take that back. I do have to do something with the seat occupancy sensor. Since I didn't hook up the heated seats and the occupancy max, it was broken. I didn't want to burn a hole in this, and I wasn't willing to restitch everything and replace it. So we're just gonna get a sensor or something like a resistor, so the airbag is always armed no matter what, even if no one is sitting here. Okay, so I put the rear bolts in, and then I'll hook up the battery. And actually, I'm gonna hook up the battery now and make sure the seat works. Key on. Woo! Climb doesn't work great. Okay, so all the functions do work. I just when the phone connected to the Enon head unit, it stopped recording, but everything works. Fine. Perfect. I am pumped to get this interior back together finally. What a long time coming. And thank you all for following me through this build. And holy, okay, less talking, more working. I am absolutely pumped and also a little bit relieved that it's finally put back together. Man, interior work is no joke. Lots of respect for everyone that does upholstery. And also, please check out the Phyllis Does Car Stuff, or Phyllis Richardson on YouTube and Instagram. She's the one that did all the Alpina upholstery. Yeah, even after sitting for so long, it's fired right up. Pretty happy with that. The mirrors work too. Try the adjustment. Yeah, looks really sweet. Now just redo the steering wheel with the Alpina colors, and then we'll have most interior done for the year. And then get working on a bit of maintenance stuff in the next video. Yeah, so we'll get on some maintenance items next video. We'll do spark plugs and like some hood struts and trunk struts, battery tie down. Just some pre-winter stuff, because Because I have not done the body work on it yet, I don't mind driving it another winter. I still have those nice studded Hakkapelitas on it. So, as always, guys, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos on the BMW.